Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the Inkbird INT14 Wireless Meat Thermometer, a must-have for grill masters and home chefs. If you love precision and convenience in the kitchen, stick around as we explore its features, pros, cons, and final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features: 3 modes of connectivity. This thermometer offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and local modes, giving you flexibility based on your needs. Whether you're cooking at home and want to monitor from your living room, or using it outdoors with your phone close by, you're covered. 4 wireless probes. It comes with 4 completely wireless probes, allowing you to monitor multiple dishes at once. This is perfect for cooking different meats or managing multiple items during a big family barbecue. Truly wire-free design. Unlike traditional thermometers with cables that get in the way, the INT14 is completely wire-free. This gives you more freedom to move and monitor without the mess or tangles. Dual sensors in each probe. Each probe can measure both food temperature and oven or grill temperature at the same time. That's like having 2 thermometers in one, ensuring total control over your cooking environment. Highly accurate readings. With +1 degree precision, you get very accurate temperature readings. This matters when you're trying to hit that perfect medium-rare steak or making sure your chicken is cooked safely. Long battery life. With up to 25 hours of use on a single charge, you don't have to worry about recharging mid-cook. Ideal for slow-cooked briskets or extended grilling sessions. Customizable alarms and alerts. The Inkbird INT14 features several alarm types: target temperature, high/low alerts, and a countdown timer. You can walk away and trust the app to notify you exactly when your food hits the mark. App sync and data tracking. Even better, the device stores up to 30 minutes of data and syncs it with the Inkbird app. This lets you track temperature trends and adjust your cook without guesswork. Pros. Multi-probe support lets you cook more than one item without extra gear. Wire-free setup keeps your kitchen or grill station clean and untangled. Dual sensors give you both internal food temps and ambient grill temps. App compatibility and data sync offer great convenience and control. Accurate and fast readings help prevent undercooked or overcooked meals. Long-lasting battery supports long or slow cooking sessions with ease. Alarms give you peace of mind while multitasking. Cons. Initial pairing with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth may take a few minutes, depending on your device. App required for full features, not ideal if you prefer simple, non-digital tools. Slight learning curve with multiple modes and probe management for beginners. Final thoughts. The Inkbird INT14 Wireless Meat Thermometer is an excellent tool for anyone who takes cooking seriously, whether you're a weekend barbecue warrior or a professional chef. With flexible connectivity, accurate temperature control, and a fully wireless design, this thermometer makes it easier to cook meat exactly how you want it. The convenience of real-time tracking, smart alarms, and app syncing gives it a modern edge. And with the ability to monitor 4 dishes at once, you can entertain guests or prep a full meal without stress. If you're looking for a smart, durable, and versatile wireless meat thermometer, the Inkbird INT14 is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest and helpful tech reviews right here on Tech Kingo. Thanks for watching.